Hi, hello. So, for today, we're going to discuss another topic in pre-calculus. This is systems of nonlinear equations. So, before we will proceed with examples, let us define muna kung ano yung nonlinear equations or let's get to know muna kung ano yung nonlinear equations. So, we have here nonlinear equations are equations whose graph are not straight line. Again, we have here not straight line. So it can be a circle, it can be a parabola, we have hyperbola, or we can have our ellipse. So in short, it can be any forms of conic sections. So we have here a systems of equation consists of two or more equations. Take note again, two or more. So it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. If at least one equation is nonlinear, then the system is called nonlinear equation. So, if may combination man ng linear at saka nonlinear equation, as long as may nonlinear na nag-exist sa given equation, that means the system is called the system of nonlinear equation. Okay? By the way, there are many ways to solve our systems of nonlinear equation. We can do graphing, we can have elimination method, and we can have substitution method. So for now, let's discuss muna on how to solve systems of equations or systems of nonlinear equation using the elimination method. Okay, so we have here, okay, so ano nga bang elimination method, 'di ba? We know elimination is like we're going to eliminate or alisin natin yung isang variable para ma-solve natin yung ang natitirang variable. And after that, we're going to plug in kung ano yung value ng isang variable para ma-solve naman yung another variable. So, ganyan yung elimination method. So, let's go back to our example. So, we have here x squared plus y squared is equals to 4. Then, that is our first equation. Then, we have here our second equation, y is equals to x squared minus 4. So, this will be our second equation. So, by looking at this equation, so ano yung parang mas madali natin na eliminate or ano yung possible na eliminate natin? So, di ba we have your x squared and x squared, then y squared and y. Hindi natin to pwedeng eliminate kasi hindi sila the same na exponent. So, we have a choice to eliminate this one or ito yung dapat natin eliminate yung x squared. So, we have here, we're going to eliminate that one. Okay, so paano siya eliminate? We're going to transpose itong x squared sa kabilang side. So we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. That will be negative x squared plus y minus 4 is equal to negative 4. Okay, so that will be now x squared plus negative x squared is 0. So we have here copy y squared plus y is equal to I mean 4 minus 4, that is 0. So this will be now our third equation. Again, can you take note of our third equation? So we have here y squared plus y is equal to 0. So now, let's solve for y using the third equation. So solve for y using our third equation. Okay, so we have here y squared plus y is equal to 0. Always take note of that. Yan yung third equation natin. So, we have here y and y. So, pwede natin siyang i-factor out. So, we have here y. Ilabas natin siya. So, y squared divided by y, that is y, plus y divided by y, that is 1, is equal to 0. Okay. As you can see, meron tayong product. That will be now y is equal to 0 and y plus 1 is equal to 0. So, meron na tayong first value ng y, that is 0. Then, solve natin yung second value ng y, that will be y is equal to transpose natin tong positive 1 sa kabilang side. So, wait, sorry, hindi pala nakita. Okay, transpose natin tong positive 1 sa kabilang side, that will be now negative 1. So, we have here our values for our y. Again, values of our y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Ay, negative 1, sorry. Negative 1. So, take note of this. Yan yung kailangan natin i-substitute para mahanap natin yung value ng x. Okay? Okay, so let's now solve for the value of our x. So solve for x using, okay, saan dito sa dalawa ang mas madaling gamitin? Or if kayo yung ipa-decide, saan yung gagamitin ninyo? Okay, a tip lang, use the equation na yung pinakamadali. So for me, yung equation number 2 yung pinakamadali natin kasi hindi na kailangan mag-squared-squared. Okay, so we have here using our second equation. Okay, first natin since we have two values for our y, let y is equal to 0 muna. So sa y is equal to 0 muna tayo, then solve natin yung x. So we have here 0 is equals to x squared minus 4. Then transpose natin tong negative 4 sa kabila. That will be x squared is equals to 4. Then x will be now equal to square root of 4 since we need to square both side para matanggal yung ay, yeah, we need to get the square root of both side para matanggal tong exponent ng x natin. So this will be now x is equal to positive and negative value of, positive and negative 2. So yan yung value ng x natin. So we have here x is equals to 2 and x is equals to negative 2. Okay? Then proceed tayo with letter B. So letter B tayo. Let our y is equal to negative 1. So negative 1 is equals to x squared minus 4. So we have here transpose natin ulit negative 1 plus 4. Since from negative magiging positive is equals to x squared. So this is negative 1 plus 4, that is 3. Then is equal to x squared. Get the square root of both side. Get the square root of both side. We have x is equals to positive negative square root of 3. So yung x natin is negative square root ng 3 and x is equals to square root ng 3 or positive square root ng 3. Okay. After that, we're going to do some checking. So we have here, check natin if applicable ba to siya sa equation natin or tama ba itong solution natin. Again ha, we have here our points now. So we have here 2, 0. We have here negative 2, 0. We have square root of negative 3. Negative square root of 3. And we have here value ng y, negative 1. And lastly, we have positive square root ng 3 and negative 1. So, yan yung itatry natin or i-check natin if applicable ba siya or it can satisfy the equation natin. So, again, pili lang tayo ng isa. So, let's again try to use. Okay, try natin naman use gamitin yung first equation. So, using one checking. Okay, checking tayo ha, using equation number 1. So, isubstitute lang natin yung value ng x and y. So, first, we have 2, 0. So, we have here 2 squared plus 0 squared, that is equals to 4. So, we have 2 squared is 4, so 4 is equals to 4. Therefore, okay, check ito. Pasado siya. Yung b naman, okay, yung b naman natin, okay, ito naman negative 2 and 0. So, we have negative 2 and 0. So, we have negative 2 squared plus 0 squared is equals to 4. Negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. So, we have 4 and 4 is equals to 4. So, therefore, tama din ito. Then, let's proceed sa letter C. Okay, so another checking. We have here square root of negative 3 and negative 1. So, negative 1. So, we have here negative square root ng 3 squared plus negative 1 squared is equal to 4. So, dito, magiging positive at saka mawawala yung square. So, we have 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So, this is 4 is equals to 4. So, tama ito. And lastly, we have here positive square root ng 3 and 1, negative 1. So, we have square root ng 3 squared plus negative 1 squared is equals to 4. So we have here now makawala yung square root. We have 3 plus negative 1 times negative 1, that is 1, is equals to 4. So we have 4 is equals to 4. So therefore, tama yung mga solution natin. Okay, so now, the, okay, to finally write our answer, we can, I sorry. So finally write our answer, we can have this like this. The system, the solution, okay, so the solution for the system of nonlinear equations are, okay, so are, we have here negative 2, 0, we have 2, 0, we have also, copy lang natin ito, is negative square root of 3, negative 1, and we have here last, square root of 3, negative 1. So, yan yung sagot natin, our final answer natin. So, that's how we do our elimination method. Okay? So, I hope naka-follow lang kayo. Okay? So, if you do not have a question, then I thank you for watching. Again, if may question kayo, just comment in the comment section below. If wala naman, then thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Again, thank you and bye-bye. God bless.